Hey guys, Trevor here to break down the Mobile Creator Kit 2.0. Whether you're creating content for social media, doing some mobile photography or mobile filmmaking, this kit will allow you to make the most out of your smartphone camera and create footage worth sharing. We've listened to the feedback and we've worked hard to develop the ultimate kit for smartphone content creation. Smartphone cameras are crazy good these days, but it doesn't always determine how the content will turn out. It requires a combination of good lighting, nice sounding audio, and a mounting solution that's easy to use, versatile, and portable. That's exactly where the Mobile Creator Kit 2.0 comes in. In this video, we'll break down all you need to know about the Mobile Creator Kit 2.0. Let's get into it. First, we'll start with what's included inside the box. First, we have the mobile creator light, a phone clip, a video microphone, a TRRS cable for iPhone, a TRS cable for DSLR cameras, a mic windshield, a mic foam windscreen, a mic shock mount, the telescoping 5-foot light stand, the smartphone remote, and the travel bag. Now let's go over some physical features so you know your way around the kit. The Mobile Creator Kit 2.0 has everything you need to create top-notch content with your device. Starting with the phone clip, we have a rotating phone clip with 2 shoe mounts on side. This is where you can mount your included light and microphone. All of this sits on top of the telescoping stand, which can extend from 10 inches to 55 inches tall, making it short enough to work great on any tabletop, but tall enough to place on the ground. We also have the built-in Bluetooth remote, which is an absolute game changer if you're creating content of yourself and want to have wireless control over taking photos or stopping and starting your video. It sits snug on the base of the stand here. As mentioned previously, all this gear comes packed away inside the travel case, which is super handy for keeping your gear nice and organized. Every piece has a specified spot inside the bag. Now that we know our way around the light, let's get into how to use it. To begin assembling our kit, we'll first start with the telescoping stand. To open the legs, push on the button on bottom like so, and the legs will pop out. To extend the height of the stand, you simply twist counterclockwise to loosen the tension. Once you've found your ideal height, twist clockwise to lock in your height. Next, locate the 1/4 screw on top. This is where we'll mount the included smartphone clip. The smartphone clip is where all the action happens. This is where we'll mount our phone, light, and mic. As mentioned before, smartphone cameras have gotten very good in recent years, but you still need good lighting to look your best. The Mobile Creator Light is plenty powerful, but still soft and diffused to illuminate you or your subject in any unpredictable lighting conditions. To control your light, find the blue button here. Tap and hold this button and your light will turn on. Tapping the blue button once more will toggle you between adjusting brightness and warmth. Use the dial below to adjust those settings to look your best in any environment. As you adjust your settings, you'll see them change on your LCD screen in real time. Pay attention to your battery life here. As you change your brightness, your battery life will change. The Mobile Creator Light will last 75 minutes on full power and over 2 hours on half brightness. To charge your light, find the USB-C port below the dial and simply plug in your provided USB-C cable and your light will begin to recharge. When it comes time to mount the light to your device, you'll attach the shoe mount and then slide the shoe mount onto your phone clip like so. To ensure a secure mount, make sure you tighten the discs on board like so. If you're recording video on your device, you'll love the included microphone. Sure, your smartphone's audio recording is decent, but if you want that professional sounding, crispy audio, you'll want to use the included mic. It's a cardioid mic, so it does a great job of removing unwanted sounds from crowds or surrounding chatter. And it's nice that the mic comes with a few different cables depending on what device you're using. If you're on an iPhone, we've made it easier than ever with a lightning cable. This plugs right into the lightning port of your phone. And we also have a cable for your DSLR. So if you want to use this mic on a DSLR, you can also do that here. To mount the mic to the kit, simply find the open shoe mount, slide it in, and tighten the tension disc to ensure a secure fit. The mic also comes with a few add-ons to give your mic extra protection from wind and external sounds. You have a foam windscreen. This can be used most of the time. And the windshield can be used if you're shooting in windier conditions. All right, now that we have our light mounted, audio attached, it's time to get our phone onto the Mobile Creator Kit. Simply slide your phone into the spring phone mount and you're good to go. This mount is super flexible to meet your shooting needs. Easily find your best angle or switch from portrait to landscape like so. And last but not least, probably my favorite part about this kit is the Bluetooth trigger. It fits snug onto the stand, so it's always there if you need a wireless connection to your phone. Use this if you're taking photo or video of yourself. It will immediately speed up your workflow and help you get the shots you need in half the time. To remove it from the stand, pull from the top here, and then to place it back, mount the bottom first, and then it will snap into place. First, make sure your remote is charged up. You can charge it with the included micro USB cable. To connect the remote to your phone, simply hold down on the blue camera button until the light turns green. Open your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and you should see the device called Lume Control. Proceed to pair, and you'll be connected. Now, when you open up your camera app, the wireless remote will control your camera. Tap it once to take a photo, or if you're shooting video, tap it to stop and start your video. Welcome to the beautiful world of wireless control. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of how to use the Mobile Creator Kit 2.0. If you have any further questions we didn't cover, send us a message on social, reach out to support@lumecube.com, or post your comment in our LumeCube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.